Reclaim AI, the robot assistant that promises to fix your chaotic calendar, but might just reschedule your meltdown. Let's be honest. Auditing is hard. Between work meetings, dentist appointment, and remembering to feed yourself, your schedule looks like a toddler's finger painting. Adulting is hard. Yeah, I called it auditing the first time on purpose. Adulting is definitely hard. But if you use Reclaim AI, the I'll handle your life caring app, but does it actually work? You can use it, but does it work? Or is it a fancy way to procrastinate? Is it a fancy way to procrastinate by organizing your procrastination? Let's find out. Now, Reclaim AI, the good, the bad, and the... Wait, why did you book me a 3 a.m. meeting? So we're going to look at the categories, the pros and the cons. By pros, I mean the take my money stuff, and the cons, I mean the this robot hates me stuff. So the first category we're going to look at is smart scheduling. Another pro is that it automatically finds meeting times like a psychic GPS. The con, sometimes optimal time equals when you are asleep or crying in the shower. Next category, tax defense. The pro is that it guides your focus time like a dragon hoarding gold. And the con, co-workers can still invade if they are sneaky or desperate. When it comes to habit tracking, it reminds you to drink water, unlike your useless human brain. But the con is that it will ask questions like, did you exercise today? No, Reclaim, I did not, so stop judging me. Moving on to the next one, we have calendar sync. The pro is that it works with Google Calendar because who uses Outlook anymore? The con is that it may accidentally double book you when it is helping. Next category, AI powered. When it comes to AI powered, yes, it learns your preferences eventually. But the con is that learning curve equals to first 3 weeks, you feel like training a very stubborn pet. Yes. So what's our final verdict? Should you let a robot run your life or should you not? For busy bees who need a digital secretary, your answer should be, yes please, where do I sign? But for control freaks who color code their socks, then the answer will be, this AI is a chaotic gremlin. Reclaim AI is like a personal assistant whose half genius, half sleep-deprived intern. So you can use it to tame your calendar, but maybe keep an eye on it. And for the love of productivity, don't let it schedule your naps. P.S. If Reclaim AI ever becomes self-aware, we're blaming you. I'm just saying. If you're still on the fence, why don't you try it? What's the worst that could happen? Famous last words. See you in the next video. Bye for now.